Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So now in this video today, I'm really excited. We have a collaboration and it's called the Classy Decor Club Father's Day Open Collab, and that's hosted by Glam Elegant Living. So now the co-hosts are Miriam Creative Corner, Creations by Simone, and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that is me. Now I'm going to be linking the hosts and the co-hosts down below in the description box along with the channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure guys, full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist so that you can see how we celebrate our fathers. So I thought it would be a beautiful scene to decorate a vignette out here on my back porch. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've been with me for a while or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now remember that every time you full watch a video and you click that like button, you help YouTube to notice me just a little bit more. Oh, and remember to comment below because I would love to hear from you. So now the florals I did find at the Dollar Tree, and I'm absolutely loving this color if you can find it. And I am decorating with this mirror tray. I'm also decorating with that DIY candle and a couple of other accessories. But overall, this is a beautiful color for Father's Day. Now that black vase that you see in the background is a textured vase and I DIY'd it. I'm going to see if I link that video down below for you to watch. It is gorgeous. Now what you're going to see me do here is I move stuff around until I feel happy with the way that it looks. And so this is what you see me doing. So I think this little area of the porch is cozy. It's a beautiful place to set up a vignette. The scenery is nice. I think we're almost ready to head on over to the reveal. Now the long stem greenery that you see in the background, believe it or not, I got that at the Dollar Tree. What a score that was. Anyway, I hope that you liked the vignette as much as I enjoyed putting it together for you. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. And don't forget to head on over to that playlist. I'll see you in the next one.